Let's take the daily challenge problem, and it says that solve for real values of x, y, z. Now here first we can go for the testing of a non-trivial solution. That is, let us assume that x into y into z, this product is not equal to 0. That is, none of them is becoming 0. If we assume that none of them are 0, then we can easily see that this mod x quantity is a non-negative quantity. So definitely we can say that x square must be greater than modulus of yz, because x square minus some positive value is giving me mod yz. So definitely x square should be more than mod yz. Similarly, we can write down y square is greater than mod zx and z square is greater than mod xy, okay, from the three equations. So multiplying the three inequalities that we have just derived, so we are getting x square y square z square is greater than x square y square z square. Okay, this kind of inequality we are coming, which is not at all possible, because we can see that these three quantities are equal, two quantities on the two sides are equal. Multiplying these three is x square y square z square, and multiplying these three is giving me x square y square z square. So they has to be equal. So there is some flaw in this particular assumption, so we cannot assume that x y z is not equal to 0. So definitely x y z, the product has to be 0 for getting real solution in this case. Now the product xyz is equal to 0, that may lead to possibility that x is equal to 0. Now you can see that if x is equal to 0, then this will be 0 and this is 0, so naturally the product yz will be 0. Now if yz is 0, then this will lead to possibilities like we can have both y and z to be 0. In that case, we are getting the trivial solution, that is x equal to 0, y equal to 0 and z equal to 0. But it can also lead to a case that y is suppose not equal to 0, or suppose y is equal to 0 and z is not equal to 0. If this is the case, then we can see that if y is 0, then in this even second equation y 0, that will lead us to zx, the product is equal to 0. That is obviously true. And in the third equation, this quantity will also vanish because xy will be 0. So third equation will come out to be z square equal to mod z, and z square equal to mod z. If we solve this equation will give us only two possible solutions, that is plus or minus 1. So clearly we are getting the solutions out there, like we are getting the solution of x, y, z as, like we are getting the trivial solution, that is all of them are 0. Then we are getting the solution x equal to 0, y equal to 0 and z equal to plus 1. We are also getting the solution x equal to 0, y equal to 0 and z equal to minus 1. Now the same thing is going to cyclically happen for x and y, the thing that has just happened for z. So basically we can have a case that will be x equal to 1, y equal to 0, z equal to 0, x equal to minus 1, y equal to 0, z equal to 0. And similarly cyclically we can assign the value of 1 and minus 1 to y also. So another possible set of solution will be 0, 1, 0 and 0, minus 1, 0. So we can easily see that these are the possible solution of this system of equation.